Assalam you alaikum ladies and gentlemen, today's topic is Kashmiri chai. Kashmiri chai, also known as noon chai or sheer chai, is a traditional tea beverage that originated in the Kashmir Valley. However, it has become quite popular in Pakistan, particularly in regions with a significant Kashmiri population. Kashmiri chai is known for its unique pink color, which is achieved through a special preparation method. The tea leaves are brewed with a mixture of bicarbonate of soda and salt, and then it's traditionally cooked in a samovar. Kashmiri chai is made with milk, giving it a creamy and rich texture. Cardamom adds a fragrant and aromatic element to the chai. Some variations include the addition of crushed almonds and pistachios for a nutty flavor. This is much for today. Thanks for listening. Me Allah Hafiz.